Greetings from Nova Auto Sale in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2023 Ford Maverick XLT. Vehicle's got about 25,000 miles on the clock. Beautiful condition inside and out. Really nice shape. Alloy wheels. Really nice condition. Let's go ahead and give it a quick walk around, and then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. Really nice shape. All right, let's take a close look here. Front fender's in beautiful shape. Looks really nice here. On the passenger side, does have a tiny little hairline scratch right there. Besides that, looks amazing. Don't see anything else to show there. Taking a look at the front door on the passenger side, beautiful shape. Clean throughout, looks very nice. Let's take a quick look at the mirror. Mirror's in beautiful condition. Very nice shape. All right, let's take a look at the rear door. Rear door on the passenger side, amazing condition. Looks super clean. Really nice shape. All right, let's take a look at the bedside on the passenger side. Looks good. Clean throughout. Very nice condition. Looks super clean. Really nice shape. All right, let's take a look at the rear. Tailgate looks good. Beautiful shape. Take a look at those lights. Lights look brand new. Very nice. Amazing condition. Rear bumper looks good. Clean throughout. Very nice condition. All right, let's take a look at the bedside on the driver's side. Looks amazing. Super clean throughout. Rear door on the driver's side looks amazing. Super clean throughout. Very nice condition. Front door on the driver's side looks beautiful. Clean throughout. Very nice shape. Front fender on the driver's side also in beautiful condition. Looks clean throughout. Let's take a look at the windshield. Don't see any chips or scratches on it. Looks super clean. Let's look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful shape. Very nice condition. Looks super clean. Very nice shape. Front bumper's in great shape. Does have a couple little bug marks here and there. No major thing. Besides that, looks nice. Headlamps are in beautiful shape. Let's take a look at the grille. Grille's in beautiful condition. The other headlamp also in beautiful shape. Very nice. Looks amazing all the way through. Look at that. Very nice. Let's go ahead and take a look on this side. The windshield on this side. It does have a tiny little chip right there. You can see it right there. Tiny little chip there. Besides that, looks good. Let's take a look at the roof. Roof is in beautiful shape. Looks clean throughout. Really nice. On this side looks amazing. All right, let's take a look at the bed. Bed's in beautiful shape. It's got a bed liner on it. Look at that. Really nice. Super clean. It's got tie downs there on the floor. Look at that. And a couple on the side here. Looks super nice. Looks brand new. Very nice. Let's take a look at the rear glass. Rear glass looks good. No marks and scratches on it. Roof is in beautiful condition on this side also. Looks super clean. Don't see anything there. Very nice condition. All right, that pretty much concludes our walk around on this one. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior. Then we'll take it for a little test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Looks clean throughout. Very nice shape. Look at the armrest. Take a look at the controls. Very nice condition. Driver's seat, amazing shape. Super clean throughout. Full set of floor mats, dashboard, steering wheel, everything looks brand new. Really nice condition. Really amazing shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side front door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Looks amazing. Really nice shape. Take a look at the passenger seat in the front. Amazing condition. Really nice. Full set of floor mats. Look at those rubber mats. Look amazing. Take a look at the dashboard. Beautiful shape all the way through. Looks amazing. All right, we're taking a look at the rear door panel on the driver's side. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Looks amazing. Take a look at the rear seat. Rear seat's in beautiful shape. Clean throughout. Amazing condition. Full set of floor mats. Rubber. Very nice condition. Really outstanding shape all the way through. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear door panel on the passenger side. Door panel's in amazing condition. Armrest is in beautiful shape. Take a look. Very nice condition. All right, take a look at the rear seat. Rear seat's in beautiful shape. Really amazing condition all the way through. Very nice condition. Full set of floor mats. Looks amazing. Very nice shape. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2023 Ford Maverick XLT. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside. We're going to go ahead and start it up. Check out some of the features on it. All right, take a look at the key fob. Really nice. Lock and lock. Panic. Original key. All right, so this one we're going to go ahead and insert the key. Turn the steering wheel. Fantastic. Okay, this one has 25,000 miles. We'll take a look at that as soon as it shows up there. It's showing who's sitting inside the vehicle. It's super cool. Okay, so this one has 25,449 miles. Okay, by the time we're done with this, I'll probably have 25,450 because we got a test drive. Okay, here we go. We press OK there. Super nice. It's got a lot of information here. Shows you the radio station, the device if you have a phone connected, settings for the vehicle, trip computer, miles per hour, the radio station it's on. Super nice. So we'll leave it on miles per hour for now. Okay, so we have a RPM gauge, fuel gauge, temperature gauge, miles per hour. It shows you the temperature on the outside, 83 degrees here, sunny South Florida. And then we have right there, that's the automatic on and off. So right now that's turned on. So if you're at the light or whatever, the vehicle will turn off and save fuel, but the AC and everything will keep running. So there's a bypass button for it. It's right here. So if you press that bypass button, you actually bypass it and then it won't turn off on you at the light. So we're gonna leave it on. All right, now we're taking a look at the controls for the lights. Super nice. This is for the rear light. Beautiful. It's on automatic right there. Very nice. Okay, power windows, power locks, power mirrors all the way through. Super nice. Cruise control on the steering wheel. Volume controls on the steering wheel. This is for the information center we were messing with a moment ago. Here you have the speaker commands. Also the volume here for the phone. Front wipers. That's for the turning signals. Look at that. Super nice. All right. Automatic transmission. It has this dial that you turn, which is super cool. Parking brake. Traction control. Very nice. It has different modes here for the transmission. So you can put it on normal mode, towing mode, snow, and sport. So just click on it like that. Tow haul, slippery, econo, and sport. So we'll leave it on normal for now. It's super nice. So that's this setting right here. Cup holders, bunch of space in there, USB plugs, air conditioning controls, very nice. Touch screen with also radio controls here in case you want to control it with those buttons. Dashboard, steering wheel, everything looks brand new on this one. Take a look. Really amazing condition. Super, super clean. Very nice. Look at that. Amazing shape. Beautiful condition. It's got a little bit of storage here. Very nice. Let's go ahead and take a look at the information center here, the radio. So sources, really cool. You can see it's got AM FM. I just brought the fan speed down in case you guys can't hear me. You got AM FM, Bluetooth. Super nice. I just brought it down another. Go back again. It's showing the radio stations there. When you connect your phone, you can see your phone information there. Now, of course, it has apps that you can download. I just clicked that there. I don't know if it has any apps installed. So we'll go ahead and go back to home again. Okay, these are the settings. So you have the radio settings, super nice. Clock settings. Bluetooth settings. Phone settings. Radio settings. Mobile app settings, we won't go into that. You have Ford Pass Connect, which is super nice. A bunch of features with that. You have general settings. 911 assist, Wi-Fi, if you're going to go ahead and subscribe to that, that's super nice. Apple CarPlay, preferences, You have your vehicle settings. Look at that. So you have your camera settings, your door lock settings. So this one has a keypad outside. You could actually program the whatever code you like to put it in there. That's super nice. Okay, that's beautiful. So we'll go back to apps. There you go, connect to device. Find your mobile device. Let's leave it on radio. Super nice. So you have your volume controls here. You have your tuner. That's nice. And you just have to touch the radio. You can have your connection there. So temperature, Wi-Fi, AC. Beautiful. Okay, beautiful condition. Let's go ahead and take a quick look here. Take a look at the liner. Liner's in beautiful shape. Looks amazing. This is super clean. Looks beautiful throughout. Showed you the dashboard. Let's show it again. Dashboard's in beautiful condition. Looks amazing. Really nice shape all the way through. Amazing condition. All right, that's going to conclude our interior on this one. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the tires and look at the engine compartment. Okay, we're all set. Take it for a little test drive. Here we go. Super smooth, feels really nice. Drives amazing. Really great drive. Okay, next thing we're going to do, we're going to test out the backup camera real quick. Drives super nice, super smooth. Okay, here we go. We put in reverse. There you go. Look at that. Super nice. It's got the lines there that move wherever you're going to turn the steering wheel. That's amazing. Okay, we're backing up here. Let's go. Fantastic. Really nice. Okay, perfect. All right, so that pretty much is going to conclude our test drive. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the engine and take a look at those tires. All right, we're taking a look at the bed liner. Beautiful condition. Looks brand new. Very nice. Take a look. Really amazing condition. Super clean. Very nice shape all the way through. Looks amazing. Okay, we're taking a look at this 2023 Ford Maverick. Engine compartment is clean and in brand new condition. Look at this. Really outstanding shape. Very nice condition all the way through. Beautiful shape. Look at that. Amazing. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. On the driver's side, tire's in fair condition. Looks good. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Look at that. Beautiful condition. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the driver's side looks good. Good amount of tread on there. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Look at that. Looks amazing. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. On the passenger side, tire's in great shape. Look at the tread on there. Looks very nice. All tires are Continental, all matching. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Looks amazing. Very nice shape. Okay, the front tire on the passenger side looks good. Good amount of tread on there. Looks very nice. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Look at that. Really great condition. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2023 Ford Maverick XLT. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046. If you'd like to see more information, please go to our website, novaautosales.net. Thanks for watching.